Welcome back. A group of various college students have accused the Goa University of favouring a political group in the University Representatives election and of flouting basic mandate of election. On Thursday, the students gathered at the university and demanded clarification from the Vice-Chancellor. The students are now planning to approach court to intervene the elections, claiming that VC's reply was unsatisfactory.
The students' group has accused the Goa University of political favoritism in the University Representatives election process.
तर आमचं हे आशिल्लें की आमी 18 UCRs जी आसा पळय तेणी ऑडिट फॉर्म्स सबमिट केल्ली. बाकीचे जेणी सबमिट केले ना पळय आमी मागलेले की ते डिस्क्वॉलिफाय करचे, पूण तेचे जाग्यार तेणी आतां केलें तें डेट एक्सटेंड केला. सो ती एक्सटेंड कित्याक लागून करता ते आमकां वॅलीड रिजन जाय करता. हेजो आमकां रिप्लाय जाय. खंयच्या पॉलिटिकल प्रेशरा अंडर कित्याक लागून करता हेजो आमकां रिप्लाय जाय.
क्लियर पास करता की कोणे बायोडेटा दिल ना, कोणे ऑडिट दिल ना, ते प्लीज सबमिट करात म्हणून. After complaint is launched, to date shift कित्याक करता, new circular कित्याक pass करता? Violating when you have kept your nomination tomorrow and you are circulating a circular today in the morning to the colleges so that you are trying to save some people. This is the whole idea of saving some candidates who are actually falling out.
A delegation of students met the acting Vice-Chancellor later in the evening. The Vice-Chancellor said that since the matter is in court, he cannot comment on the sub judice matter. The students are now in a fray to approach court to stay the University Representatives election process.
हांव रजिस्ट्राराक मेळ्ळें तेन्ना तेणें सांगलां that he doesn't have any decision, he doesn't have a power to take any decision because there is a problem with the, it is gone to the legal settlement, it is gone to the court.
तेणी आमकां सांगलां की आतां तेणी डिसिजन कांयच घेवंक शकना म्हणपाक लागलो. हे सगळें आतां कोर्टान गेलां म्हणून. बट हांव आतां हें सांगूंक सोदतां की आतां कोर्टान गेल्ले केस, आतां ती केस आतां कोर्टान गेले म्हणून आमकां खबर ना, आमकां लिगल नोटीस सुद्दां येवना की बाबा ती गेल्या म्हणून.
सो आमी आमच्या एडवोकेटा कडेन उलोवन फुडलो डिसिजन कितें तो आमी घेतले स्टेप घेतले. वी ऑल्सो हॅव टू सीक लीगल एडवाइस एंड देन वील टेक द नेक्स्ट स्टेप.
A reporter from Goa University, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Travel Tourism Association of Goa expects more influx of European tourists this season due to a rupee falling against dollar. This season, however, will witness decline in tourists from UK. TTAG feels that the number of British tourists visiting Goa will witness a fall as compared to last 3 years.
Tourist season in the state would commence from October onwards, but tourist arrivals from the United Kingdom will witness a decline in Goa. Tourist arrivals from Russia, Poland and Finland have been on rise.
I will talk about the numbers coming into Goa for the coming season. As the President rightly mentioned, we are expecting more numbers from Russia, the CIS countries, Poland. We are also seeing more numbers, bookings coming in from Scandinavia and Finland. The only country which is showing a drop is UK. UK, 3 years back, they were coming with 18 charter flights a week. Now, for the coming season, it's going to be only 7 flights a week.
A rupee fall against a dollar might be a bad news for many, but TTAG feels otherwise.
This season is expected to be better than the last season, not because we have improved ourselves, because the rupee has become cheaper and a European can find it cheaper to come into India.
35th Founders Day of TTAG was held on Wednesday. Association feels that there is no consistency in the state tourism policy, hence government should appoint an independent tourism board.
The other issue which we face is cleanliness of our beaches, the shack policy and the water sports policies. This constant change affects policy decision because each person, though he might be part of the same setup, has his own way of doing things. Therefore, whenever there is a change at the helm of the affairs, even the lower staff don't know how to react to a situation.
TTAG will soon launch its official website with more information on travel and tourism in Goa. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar will be launching the website. Reporter Pratik Parab with video journalist Omkar Falari.
A youth jumped off the Zuari bridge on Thursday afternoon. Police are in search of the body. A motorbike and a wallet was recovered from the site. Also, a 74-year-old man was found dead at Destero, Murgaon on Wednesday. It is suspected that he died after a fall from a height near BZB school at Destero, Murgaon. However, locals claim that body was lying unattended for almost an hour due to confusion between Murgaon and Vasco police over jurisdiction.
A youth aged 27 years jumped off the Zuari bridge on Thursday. A motorbike and a wallet was recovered by Akshi police at the site.
जुआरी का एक संजय नाम का आदमी इधर जुआरी ब्रिज से खुदी मारकर गिरा है। वो 2-3 दिन से फ्रस्ट्रेटेड था। ऐसा अभी मिसिंग कंप्लेंट दे रहे हैं थोड़ा देर।
कैसा पता चला वही है बोल के संजय?
तो उसका सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स मिला। रास्ते पे उसका गाड़ी भी था, वो मिला है, वॉलेट भी था।
एक भुरग्यान मोटरसायकल थंयच धरून जॅम मारले म्हणून आनी आमी इमिजिएटली मरीन पुलिसांक कळयलें। आमचो स्टाफ सर्च ऑपरेशन चालू आहा। आमकां ती आजून कोण उडी मारला तेजी कांय तो कळोंक ना कोण तो, पूण एक तेजें वॉलेट आसलें तेजेर आमकां तेजें एका भुरग्याचें नांव मेळ्ळां। आतां तेच भुरग्यान मारल्या उडीक आनी कोणी तें आजून कन्फर्म जावना।
Meanwhile, Dionis Afonso, aged 74 years, was found dead at Destero, Murgaon on Wednesday. He was known amongst locals as Donny. It is suspected that he died after he fell from a height of almost 15 meters near BZB school.
कोण पडलो म्हणून आमी चोवपाक आमकां खबर मेळ्ळी की कोण पडला म्हणून। मागीर आमी पुलीस येयले थिंगा। पुलीस येयले उपरांत आमी फुड्यान गेले जाल्यार आमकां ती कळ्ळें की ती एकलोच आमचो वाड्यावयलो दनपारां 3 मिसींग आहलो म्हणून। मागीर ती आंटीन कळ्ळें कोवयले ते व्हडकलो ताका, हाडलो आमी उखल्लो आनी हाडून वयर घायलो। कितें नांव बीन कितें? तेजें नांव डॉनी। डॉनी निकनेम ताका डॉनी म्हणटा। हय डॉनी म्हणटा आनी तो वॉकिंग करतालो, एवरी वॉकिंग असो भोंवत आसतालो सांजचो। कितें जालें तें अचानक खंयच्यान पडलो केसो जालें कितें कांयच खबर ना।
However, the body was lying unattended for almost an hour. Sources informed us that there was some confusion between Murgaon and Vasco police over jurisdiction. Finally, Murgaon police conducted the Panchanama. Reporter Surendra Matkaikar for Prudent Media.
Stall owners of SGPDA market get out the member secretary of the SGPDA, Rajesh Naik. They are not happy with the stall allotments at the SGPDA market. They have demanded that the problem should be sorted out as soon as possible. Naik said that process of allotment is being verified again.
Agitated stall owners marched at the SGPDA Madgaon on Thursday. They met the member secretary of the SGPDA, Rajesh Naik. They have demanded that the confusion in stall allotments should be sorted out soon. Naik has assured to sort out the issue.
So as per the vendors thing, there are some other people who have already occupied the stalls. So we are trying to match the things like how it can be best sorted out to interchange the stalls to those who have already occupied it. So that exercise is going on. In the bargain, some confusions are happening. That although we have allotted them some different stalls, but on site it has been already occupied. So how to interchange in the proper way, because lease agreements have been already done in the past, so we have to change all the documentation. That is why the request is that to make them sit on the present stalls where they are sitting.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.